Congresswoman Shari Antan is serving the people of Samar in all the ways she can. The lady lawmaker gave a sneak peek into the new design she made for Lara Samar. Her latest project, banig placemats. Lara Samar is a local craft brand in the province, providing sustainable livelihood to banig weavers who are mostly women in the municipality of Basey. Throughout the pandemic, Tan made sure these women continue to earn money by switching Lara's focus to home decors, which are a huge hit in the online community.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.